Hello everybody, I'm Councilman Ruben Valencia with my wife Imelda.
Hi everyone.
And today, just like you, I'm sure we went out when COVID-19 first hit and we bought some frozen vegetables. So we thought, okay, what are we gonna do with all this frozen vegetable that we have in our freezer? So with our corn, we like corn on the cob and that kind of stuff. So we're gonna try to go ahead and have a recipe that mimics that. We're gonna use some mayonnaise, we're gonna use some butter, some grated Parmesan, and some organic chili powder, and some salt and pepper. So check out how easy this is to do right at home. We're gonna take this and throw it in the microwave for 5 minutes.
It's really hot. And now we're gonna open up. They're ready. They're very easy to open. And we're gonna part.
All right, now what we do is we're gonna do 2 scoops of mayonnaise. 1, 2. And we use 2 tablespoons of butter. We use sea salt and fresh ground pepper. And then we're gonna go ahead and mix this all in. That looks amazing and it smells even better. And once we have it all mixed really good, then we're gonna top it off with some Parmesan. That was a little over 2 tablespoons of Parmesan. And then we use our organic chili powder and we sprinkle that on top. And there you go, it's ready for the party. Let's get some bowls. So it's ready to serve now. Here, let's try this out. There you go. Here you go, babe. Tell me what you think. So easy, so quick, great for a barbecue. It's amazing. Thank you very much. God bless you, and thank you for tuning in to You're in the Kitchen with Councilman